Hey everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make Romesco sauce. It's a traditional Spanish sauce that actually works great as a dip. It's real big on flavor and I love it, so let me show you how to make it. Romesco sauce is big on flavor and it's pretty easy to make. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and roast down some bell pepper with tomato and some garlic. And I'm going to slice this open first. Scoop out the insides here. Get rid of those seeds. Get our tomato going. Big plump ripe tomatoes. And for the garlic, I've got these 6 peeled and I'm just going to add them to a bit of aluminum foil. Kind of get this pinched up around it. You can roast them in their peels. This is just an easy way for me. Add a pinch of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. And then I'll get it nice and wrapped up. And we're gonna go ahead and bake it for about 30 minutes until everything's nice and roasted up. All right, look at this. Everything's nicely roasted. And next we're just gonna go ahead and peel everything. You can see the tomato skins pop right off. Real easy. Look at that. Very simple. And then the bell peppers, you might have to steam them a little bit to get the skins off, but a lot of times they'll just peel right off. Very easy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and peel these up. All right, these are all nicely peeled, and then we can check on the garlic here, and oh wow. Roasted garlic, one of the best smells ever. Oh, I love it. Okay. All right, so let's go make our Romesco sauce. Hey, an extra tip for you guys. Most people like to throw away the peels and the skins from roasted peppers and tomatoes, but actually you can dehydrate these and grind them into a powder so you get that roasted pepper and roasted tomato flavor. You can use it as a seasoning and it's really easy to do, so give it a try. Next we're gonna dry toast some almonds. You don't need any oil for this, just put the almonds right in a warm pan. Heat it up. It only needs a couple minutes for this. All right, these are lightly toasted, so let's make some Romesco sauce. Now we're gonna go ahead and process this baby up. I've got my roasted red bell pepper. And I've got my roasted tomatoes. Whew. Set this over here. Got my roasted garlic. Got lightly toasted almonds, about a 1/4 cup. And I've got this is some lightly toasted Italian bread that's gonna provide a lot of thickness to the sauce. A couple tablespoons of red wine vinegar. A bit of salt and pepper. Really salt and pepper to your taste. And the last ingredient is going to be olive oil that we're gonna stream in, so let's process this up first. So here's what it looks like before you put the oil in. You can see it's still a good consistency to it, but now we're gonna get the oil going. Stream it in, about a 1/4 cup. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Smells delicious. Nice and creamy. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you make Romesco sauce. You can serve it on grilled meats or grilled fish, or even like roasted or grilled vegetables. It's really great that way. So I do hope you like it, and let's give it a try. Oh wow. I love this stuff. It's so good. I hope you like it. Chili Pepper Madness. Thanks, guys.